We have to work together in our communities here and in person, of course, but also on to work outside of the electoral process so that we can, one, survive, literally survive authoritarianism. And then, of course, to overthrow this regime, which could be done through mass movements like you saw in Albania. That the size, right? And the ongoing nature of it, right? Like, we're not there yet. I don't know if we're going to get there. How long is it going to take us to get there? I don't know if we'll ever get there. But we, the people, not through elections, we, the people, we're the only ones who can solve these problems. And yeah, so that's what I wanted to say. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to sign off. My battery is getting low. This was great. I'll be on more. If you want to do a live with me, message me. I would love to do that. And I'll just let you know I'm never giving up. I'm never, ever, ever going to give up. Promise.